हाय एवरीवन। सो आज मुझे लगा कि मैं इंग्लिश के साथ साथ कुछ नया करती हूँ जिससे कि मैं और भी इंस्पिरेशन आप लोगों को चीज़ें सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए दे सकती हूँ। सो टुडे आई हैव इंस्पायर्ड माय मेकअप लुक फ्रॉम इंडिपेंडेंस डे लुक। एज यू कैन सी आई हैव वेयर 3 color bindi also, and this is the map and 3 color bangles also, everything. So this is the, like, I have been enjoying the part of my nation's freedom, and the word independence itself tells that we are living in the independent nation. We are capable to do everything in our life. We can do it, okay? And 15th August held on 15 August is a part of something which taught us, like, we are celebrating the Independence Day, which held on 15th August 1947, and today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. Can you just imagine it? So, like, this Independence Day is, it empower us to speak and empower us to be living in a very freedom, live a freedom life, and also enjoys the liberty. This happens just because the struggles and the sacrifices which have been given by our renowned like freedom fighters. And also freedom fighters, as you can see, the freedom fighters, they have mastered their communication skills, they have mastered themselves in their part, so that they have spoken in front of everyone their prominent thing, they have voices their opinions. I'm just same asking you also to reflect that in your English also. English is a powerful tool, and you can also spirit yourself of speaking freely the English, and you can be the part of something, so that you can also contribute something to the nation by just having doing some dignified things, okay? And as over here I have inspired my this makeup look, so I just want to know that how you had, like, आपको मेरा ये look कैसा लगा? I just want to know in the comment boxes, okay? And also मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगी कि please enjoy the every part and the moment of the celebration, because it makes you much more excited to do something great in life, okay? So just enjoy within yourself. If you don't have the background, just create your background, create your environment, okay? If you want to learn more, just follow this channel. Bye bye.